pray in thankfulness for every single day, for all creations bright and beautiful everywhere. Yes, we need your guidance as we learn to love and honor our parents and our teachers and our friends with everything we do and sing. We at GIS, we need your presence to experience the joy of learning in the classrooms and all around. With every step we take each day, shine on us, shine on us. Oh Lord, I earnestly pray in thankfulness for every single day, for all creations bright and beautiful everywhere. Yes, we need your guidance as we learn to love and honor our parents and our teachers and our friends with everything we do and sing. We at GIS, we need your presence to experience the joy of learning in the classrooms and all around. With every step we take each day, shine on us, shine on us, shine on us.
The thing I enjoy most about Quiz Bowl is that it is both a team and an individual competition. Even though you compete as a team, a whole game can change based on the random knowledge of one person. The purpose of the quiz is not to shame or embarrass anyone, but to make sure everyone is on the same page. A very refreshing good morning and a warm welcome to our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Sita Shankar, our beloved coordinator ma'am, Mrs. Simi Nair, Mrs. Arpita madam, who will be running the quiz slides, Mrs. Suvarna madam will keep the scores for the Quizaders, and I, Ananya Ghosh, will be conducting the quiz and will take you through the most exciting tour of Quizaders' final round. So, children, what is a quiz? A quiz is a game or competition in which someone tests your knowledge by asking you some questions. And the full form of quiz is Quick Uniform Intelligence Zone. A quiz is a quick and informal assessment of students' knowledge. To reinvent the education system and give students a break from traditional classroom learning, there is a dire need to revive the quiz culture in schools and colleges. And technology can act as a facilitator by bringing innovation to quizzes and ensuring active participation among students. Besides the obvious academic benefits of expanding the student's knowledge and exploring new skills at an early age, quizzes redefine the education system in significant ways. It provides interactive platform. Today, quizzes are interactive platforms where students are not participating to take home a prize or get famous overnight, but to gain knowledge, seek opportunities to excel beyond academics and secure their future. It requires critical thinking and extensive research. Students get into the habit of innovative learning from an early age. It encourages teamwork where students need to form teams while participating in quizzes, giving them an opportunity to enhance their teamwork skills. So without further delay, let's begin. From Team A, we have Avantika Ghosh, Avani Kejilwa, M. Jayant Reddy, Nikhil Reddy. From Team B, we have Ayush Anand, Manashwi Neha Ganji, Pratiksha R, and Adya Datta. From Team C, we have Vishal S, Siddhant S. Kamath, Ikshita Agarwal, and Shivatmika Raut. Now some general instructions about the quiz. There will be rounds as per the subjects. Each question will carry 10 marks. Only in the rapid fire round, each question will carry 2 marks. You will get 30 seconds time to answer a question. You can discuss the answer within your team. Question will not be passed to the next team if unanswered. No negative marking will be there. Quizmaster's decision will be considered as the final decision. There will be audience round in this final for the Quizaders. Any questions, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move on. All the best to all the teams. First we have computer. Okay, so let's see what questions are coming up for each team. First round. Okay, the question for team A is the symbol at the rate comes from a Arabic word, Greek word, or Latin word. Yes, team A?
It might be Greek or Latin. What do you think?
Not mine. You have to give the correct answer, baby. Team members, please. See the time, children.
Let's give Greek.
Greek? Okay. So, ma'am, we can go for Greek word. Let's see the correct answer, children. It's Latin word. Oh, so you missed a point. Never mind. You can back up for the next rounds also. Okay? For team B, the question is, who is the founder of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg, Tim Berners-Lee, Satya Nadella. Team B,
Team I think it's Mark Zuckerberg. Yeah.
you have to be confident while answering. You can't think.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's Mark. Yes, ma'am.
Option A, correct? Okay, let's see the answer. Yes, absolutely correct. So, great round of applause for Team B. The answer is absolutely correct. Next, let's move on to Team C. The question is, who is the founder of Yahoo? Bill Gates and Paul Allen, Jerry Young, David Filo, Larry Page, and Sergey Brin.
Ma'am, it's B.
I feel it is B.
Yeah,
I feel it is B.
David Philo.
Yes,
Children,
ma'am, you can take B.
you need to mention the correct answer properly, not I feel.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, Jerry Young and David
Very
Philo.
sure, right?
Take B.
So we are going for option B. Let's see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, absolutely correct, children. For team C also scores 10 points. Congratulations, children. So we'll go for the next round, ma'am. Okay. Next round for computer. So this is the end of round one. So round two in computers. Let's see what questions we have. Next question for team C is name the disease.
Ma'am, this is elephantitis or filariasis.
Ma'am, this is elephantiasis or
Yes, ma'am.
filariasis.
Elephantiasis, ma'am.
Audience round. Okay, we have some questions for our audience also. Okay, question for audience is which one of the following is a communicable disease? Measles, cancer, heart stroke or allergy?
Only from the participants we want the hand to be raised.
Audience.
Yes, sorry, not from the participant, from the audience.
Only the audience will answer this, not the participants.
Yoga Sadvik, you raised hand first, please.
Yes, Yoga Satvik, you can answer.
Okay, I will unmute you. Ma'am, is he unmuted?
He actually lowered his hand. Next we can see Anisha here.
Anisha.
Anisha. Okay, Anisha will answer this question.
Make her the presenter.
First round, in physics we have MCQ. So let's see the options for team A and the question. The following absorbs the light most? A mirror, a piece of white paper, or a black wallet?
It is
Team
a
A,
mirror.
I think it's C, a black wallet, right?
So is this the final answer from Team A?
Team A, you can decide, discuss, and you give me the correct answer. You can't
I
say
think it's a black wallet. Yeah,
A
we'll
black
go with
wallet.
correct
See,
reply.
black wallet.
so. I go for C option.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the answer is correct. Nikhil, congratulations. This is the end of round one for physics. Now we'll begin with round two, which is the picture round. Okay, for team A, the question is, the following pictures are the applications of.
Guys, I guess it is yes,
Reflection of light.
rectilinear propagation of light.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you sure? Can you repeat the answer once again?
Yes,
Rectilinear
ma'am.
propagation of light.
Of light. So we are locking that answer and let's see the answer then for team A. Rectilinear propagation. Absolutely correct answer. So ma'am, they get the point. Team A gets the point. Okay. Next subject is chemistry. Is having a mystery in it, right? So let's see the questions. Okay. First round of chemistry is the MCQ round. And the first question for team A is, which of the following is not a metal? Sodium, helium, lithium, beryllium.
I
Yes.
guess it is helium.
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 Yes, ma'am. B says it's
Confident.
Helium.
Okay, but team A will take the answer as helium. Ma'am, can we have the answer? It's correct. Congratulations, team A. So, ma'am, team A gets the score. That gets the point. Team B's question is, the formula of quicklime is option A, option B, option C, option D. Which one?
Ma'am, I go with option C.
Team members, please.
Yeah, option C.
Option C, CaCl2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am will take that
You are
answer.
going to option C.
Option C, yes. No, it's the wrong answer, dear. So, ma'am, team B loses a point. Okay, so we'll go with English right now. Okay, so good luck to everybody. Let's start. Okay, first round is the MCQ round. Okay, so the first question for team A is, either Rajat or Nitin will win the race. Here either or is a single word conjunction, compound conjunction, correlative conjunction or subordinating conjunction.
Guess it is a compound conjunction.
No, compound conjunctions are usually together. I think it is. I think it is correlative.
Yes, ma'am, correlative.
Okay, so we'll go with that answer. Ma'am, can we have that? Yes, absolutely correct answer, children. Congratulations to team A. It's the correct answer, Suvarna ma'am. Okay. Next, team B, the question is, change passive voice to active voice. A blue dress was purchased by Susan.
Ma'am, it will be Susan. Susan purchased a blue
Susan purchased a blue dress. B.
Yes, ma'am.
B.
Susan.
Okay, we'll lock B, ma'am.
Yes.
Answer is absolutely correct, team B. Congratulations. So we'll have the next round two, which is a rapid fire round. Now, children, there are some rules for the rapid fire round, okay? So I'll just read it out. 5 questions will be asked to each team at a random basis, okay? Each team needs to decide who is going to answer the questions. And suppose on team C, you right now only you have to decide who is going to answer all the questions. So because there is no time for you to discuss the answers, because I'll just keep on answering you a question, questioning you the questions. Okay, if you, the maximum time is 1 minute. So within that 1 minute of time frame, you have to allow me to ask the questions and to tell you the correct answer if you are wrong. Okay, the participant needs to say pass if you have to save time because only 1 minute is there for you, right? Okay, if you can't answer, if the answer is not known to you, you will say pass. No negative marking will be there. Each question will carry 2 points. If any question is not answered, it will be revisited.
It will not be.
Okay, it will not be revisited. So I will not repeat the question again to you. Okay? So right now you just decide who will come from team A, team B.
Avantika, you can go from team A. Avantika.
Uh,
Okay.
So from team A, I'm locking Avantika, right?
Dushint, do you want to go for the team C?
yeah, it is fine for me.
Okay.
So Avantika from team A, Dushyant from team C. What about team B?
I go or does anyone else want to go? Adya can go.
Adya.
Adya final?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope all of you understood the rules of this rapid fire round. Any doubt, any question regarding this round?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So for each team, the questions are: light travels faster than sound. The word faster is the adverb of. You can't take so much of time. Team A,
Pass.
pass. Okay, next question. Have you played the game? State the tense of the sentence.
Past perfect.
Past perfect is correct. Okay, next question. Gerund is a verbal adjective. True or false?
False.
Correct. I like to play cricket. Here, to play is what kind of verb?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. The next question is conjunctions are called connectors.
Connectors.
Yes?
Connectors.
Connectors. Correct answer. For team B? Okay. We'll go to team B with the five set of questions. So they have given three correct answers, ma'am. The first answer was adverb of manner, and the question answer was non-final verb. Next, team B and B. The questions are: his uncle nearly lost his life in the war. His now here nearly is
An adverb.
of.
An adverb.
Next question for team C is full name of Matilda.
It's
Ma'am.
Matilda Wormwood.
Yes, ma'am. It's Matilda Wormwood.
Okay, let's see the
Ma'am,
correct answer.
Matilda Wormwood.
Okay, let's see. Matilda Wormwood, correct answer team C also. So with this, we have completed round one. Now we'll commence with round two. So let's see the questions. Okay, the question for team A is identify the personality.
Ma'am, Ravindranath Tagore.
Okay, correct answer. Okay, okay. Okay, the next question for team B is name a poem written by the personality you see in the image provided below. Team B, who is this person?
Ayush, do you have any guesses? Yeah. Ma'am, I'll just go with Banyan written by this poet.
What? Once more?
Ma'am, Banyan Tree.
Correct answer, children. Correct answer.
Ma'am, then the poet is Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, correct. Correct answer, children. So the next question for team C is which lesson does the following image give you a hint of?
Matilda can do magic. Ma'am, Matilda can do magic.
Ma'am, Matilda can do
Ma'am, Matilda
magic.
can do
Okay,
magic.
let's see the answer. Correct answer for team C also. Okay, so there is a one more question for team A. Let's see. Which lesson does the following image give you a hint of?
Does.
Correct answer. Absolutely correct answer, team A. Congratulations. The next, okay, let's see the answer, ma'am. Dusk. Absolutely correct answer. Okay, for team B, the question is which lesson does the following image give you a hint of?
Brown wool. Ma'am, brown wool.
Correct answer. Without seeing the answer, also we can say it's correct answer. Okay, congratulations. The next question for team C is which lesson does the following images give you a hint of? Yes.
Does anybody have any idea?
Maybe this
The wind and
is
the moon, ma'am. The wind and the moon.
the wind and the moon.
Okay, the wind and the
Okay,
moon.
are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, let's see the answer. Absolutely correct and congratulations. Okay, so now shall we? So audience. No, we need to. We have to wait because we have a doubt about that team B's answer. Okay, so we'll be disclosing the marks after this audience round. You can carry, I'll just go and use. Okay? So now we have the audience round. Okay, so after the audience round, we will be telling you the marks. Okay? So once again the same thing, I request if you know the answer, please raise your hand from audience, not the participants. Okay? So your question is, where did the young man, yes. Okay, first all of you please lower your hand and then again you can raise if you know. Where did the young man think of staying after coming to London? Yes, Rashid, unmute. Make him the presenter, ma'am. Asit, do you know the answer?
Ma'am, he lowered his hand.
Make him the attendee. Make Asit attendee.
Ma'am, you made me a presenter. This is Idant and I raised my hand after Ashit.
Okay, just 1 minute, Idant. Yes, Idant. Please say the answer.
Ma'am, he thought of staying at the Patagonia Hotel in Berkshire Square.
Okay, so this is the correct answer, dear. Okay, can you go for next slide? Asit is presenter. I made him presenter, no? To answer. Maybe he left. Maybe he left. You need to keep checking. Okay, so we are moving to the next question from audience round. Which figure of speech is used in the line motion the rest? Audience. Pranav Vasant, we are making you the presenter. Please answer.
Personification.
Okay, so your answer is wrong. You can see. And then we are going to the next question. Who wrote the poem Four Little Foxes? So if you know the answer, please raise your hand from audience. Ma'am? Manasvi? We are making you the presenter. Please answer.
Yes, ma'am. It's Lou Siret.
Okay. Yes, your answer is correct. So the next subject is Hindi. Okay. First round, and the questions are okay. When is Hindi Pakwara Day celebrated?
Any
13th.
idea? Any guesses?
Yes.
Avantika or Jayant?
I have no idea.
Anybody else? Jayant, Avni?
Be quick, dear. हिंदी पखवाड़ा दिवस कब मनाया जाता है?
I guess it is 2/9.
2/9 means
No, ma'am. First, ma'am, I guess it is 1st to 15th of September.
team B is for how many days did the Mahabharata war last? महाभारत का युद्ध कितने दिनों तक चला था? लगातार 5 दिन तक, 3 दिन तक, केवल 2 दिन तक, लगातार 18 दिन तक.
Ma'am, लगातार 18 दिन. Ma'am, I guess
I think it's
लगातार 18 दिन.
So you are going for option D?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we lock it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, and the answer is absolutely correct for team B also. The next question for team C, audience round.
So once again, I request everyone to lower their hand from audience. Yes.
Okay. The first question for the audience are, which object did Hanuman give to Sita Ji as a sign of Sri Ram in Ashok Vatika? Aditya Kavi. Aditya Kavi?
Yes. We are making you the presenter. Yes, Aditya, answer. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, Sri Ram's ring, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's see the answer. Mudrika Anguti Finger Ring. Correct. Absolutely correct answer. Okay. So the next question for the audience is, Lakshmanji fainted due to whose arrows in the battle? Ma'am, anybody? It's Yashasvi Karthik. Yashasvi. Yes, Yashasvi. Tell me the answer.
We are making you the presenter.
Ma'am, Meghanath.
Meghnath sir? Okay, let's see the answer. Correct answer, Yashasvi. Congratulations.
At least the name of the temple, if they would have tell, then we can give. Right now. Yes. So children, team C will not get point for the previous question, okay? Because you mentioned the place, but you did not mention the name of the temple, okay? So we are not giving you the marks for that question, team C, okay? Now you have French round.
The question for Team A is, the name of the French movie projected at GIS was?
Les Choiristes, I think.
Yeah.
Les
Yes,
Choiristes.
ma'am. D option.
The next question for Team C is, which one is a French food?
Ma'am, pizza. Ma'am,
Ma'am, le
It's the second one.
boy basse. It's the second one.
yeah, it's B. Pizza is Italian.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's B.
Pizza and
Lock
spaghetti.
your answer.
Ma'am,
Yes,
B,
sir.
it's Italian. Yeah, let's
Ma'am,
do
B.
B.
You'll go for B?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll lock B answer, ma'am. And it is correct. So in this round, all the teams scores equal points. Congratulations to 3 teams. Next we have social studies. Okay. In social studies, the first subject we have is geography. So let's see the questions. First round, for the question we have for team A is, can you identify this country?
Canada.
Canada.
Confident?
Canada. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll log that answer, ma'am, and the answer is absolutely correct. Okay, the next question for team B is, can you identify this country?
Mexico. Mexico, ma'am. Mexico.
Lovely. Let's see the answer. And the answer is Mexico. That is also correct. Okay. The next question for team C is, can you identify this country?
Greenland.
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 Okay.
Greenland.
Is that answer, Dushyant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Greenland.
let's see the answer. It is Greenland. Absolutely correct answer, children, and congratulations to Team A, Team B, and Team C. Okay, with this, we come to the end of round 1, and we start with round 2. And the first question for Team A is, a sketch is drawn using a scale, both a scale and a north line, neither scale nor the north line.
Ma'am, D. Neither the scale.
Neither a scale.
Neither a scale or the normal. Yeah, D.
So Avantika, you want to go with option D.
Yes, ma'am. D.
So we are locking that answer, and the answer is, ma'am, absolutely correct. So the next question for team B is, which of the following is a volcano? Mount Everest, Versailles,
Mount Etna, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Going with option C.
C. Okay, Mount Etna, Alps. Okay, we are going for option C. Let's see the answer, ma'am. The answer is absolutely correct. The next question for team C is, which of the following is not a river?
Titicaka.
Ma'am, Titicaca.
Titicaca, Mississippi, Ganga, Nile.
Titicaka, ma'am. Titicaka.
Titicaca. Okay, option A. Let's see, the answer is absolutely correct. Is we have India's leading rubber producing state is for team A. The question goes for Kerala,
Kerala.
Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Assam.
Kerala.
Ma'am, A Kerala.
Kerala. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Correct.
So we are locking with Kerala. So the answer is absolutely correct, Team A, and congratulations. Okay, the next question of Team B is a narrow channel of water linking two large water bodies and separating two land masses is called a
Ma'am, straight. Straight.
isthmus straight bay canal.
Straight. Ma'am, it is straight.
Straight.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we lock that answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The answer is straight and it is absolutely correct. The next question for team C is the world's largest waterfall.
Ma'am,
Angel
Angel Falls.
Niagara Falls.
Angel Falls.
Okay, we'll lock the option A and the answer is Angel Falls, an absolutely correct answer this year. Congratulations to all the teams. This is the end of round three, and now the scores are. Don't worry. So next we have audience round, and the questions for the audiences are. We have beautiful audience with us. So ma'am, the question goes for the audience is, which is the biggest country of South America?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, dear, we can.
Ma'am, is it Canada?
So your answer is Canada, right? Let's see the answer.
Brazil. Okay. Okay, next we have history. Okay, let's see the questions.
This is for the participants.
These questions will come for the participants, okay? Okay. So, first round in history is the question goes like this for team A is, who is the writer of Meghdut and Kumara Sambhava? Kalidasa, great Hindu poets, Chanakya, Tulsidasa.
Kalidas.
Ma'am, Kalidasa.
Shall we lock it?
Yes, ma'am. We
Yes,
lock
ma'am.
it up.
Okay, ma'am, we are locking team A's answer as A and the answer is correct. So next question for team B is, who devised the system of counting in tens? Sumerians, Egyptians, Chinese, Babylonians.
Ma'am, I think it's Egyptians. What do you guys say? I think it's Chinese. Yeah, it's Chinese.
Make it fast.
We'll lock Chinese, ma'am.
They have locked Chinese now. And the answer is Egyptians. The question is identify this picture now. You have to tell me
I
the
think this is
temple.
the Buddhist temple at Bodh Gaya. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that should be the answer.
Buddhist temple at Bodh Gaya.
Okay, ma'am, we'll lock that answer. We are locking Bodh Gaya Mahabodhi Buddhist temple they told, ma'am.
Yes, we can go for that.
50-50.
No, we can go.
We can go?
Yes, we can.
Okay, we are going with that answer and we are getting points for this answer. Congratulations to all the teams. You people are really playing very well. Okay, so let's see the questions. First round, direct question round. No options will be given to any teams. So let's.
So here you can have your rough notebook and pencil with you, okay? Because there will not be any option, okay? So you need to calculate and you need to tell the answer.
Ma'am, how much time will be given?
30 second only, okay? So you need to be very fast and very quick to calculate. So team A, B, C, are you ready with pen and paper?
Four of you get ready with your pen and paper. Okay, so all four of you can calculate if it's required, and then you will come up with the answer. Then you can discuss, and then you give me the correct answer.
If it is required, okay?
If it's required. Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Confident?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, because we have some doubts, right? So yeah. So first question for team A goes. The temperature of a place is 15 degrees Celsius. If the temperature decreases by 20 degrees, what will be the temperature?
I think minus 5 degrees, right, team A? Minus 5 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 5
Yes,
degrees.
minus
Minus
5
5 degrees.
degrees.
Ma'am, we are logged into minus 5 degrees.
You people discuss and give me the correct answer. That's it.
Ma'am, it is minus. It is ma'am, all of us are logged into minus 5 degrees.
Okay, the answer is minus 5 degrees and the answer is correct. Okay, this is the question for team A. Okay, observe the geometrical figure and answer the questions based on it.
This round 2 is based on this concept. You need to observe the geometrical figure and you need to answer the questions with based on that particular
You have to
picture.
observe the figure first and then answer accordingly. The questions will be asked based on that figure. Okay, so shall we start?
We will start with team A.
Team A, okay, yes. Okay, team A, the question is, what do you call line T?
Ma'am, an intersecting line.
Okay, that's intersecting line. How are angles 2 and 4 related?
Ma'am, they are.
Ma'am, they are vertically opposite angles.
Ma'am, they are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles.
The opposite angle and the T was
Intersecting.
intersecting line. Okay, ma'am. Shall we see the answer? T is transversal and vertically opposite angles is the correct. We have almost arrived to the end of the session, and to conclude the same, I would take this opportunity to thank our principal ma'am, our beloved coordinator ma'am, who have given me this opportunity to conduct the program. Along with them, I would like to thank Arpita ma'am, Sorana ma'am, without whose help conducting the program wouldn't have been possible for me. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate the winning team. Let's see, we are waiting for the results, as well as thank to all my students who have kept the zeal and enthusiasm throughout the session. And certificates will also be provided to you soon. So you have to wait for the results and the certificates. Okay? So thank you so much. So let's stand up together, all together for the national anthem.